Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Conversation Journal. Today, Tom and Sarah are going grocery shopping. It sounds simple, right? But with Tom and Sarah, nothing is ever simple. Let's see what happens at the supermarket. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. Making the shopping list.
Tom, we need to go grocery shopping today.
Already? We just went last week.
That was 2 weeks ago.
Really? Time goes so fast.
We have no food in the fridge.
What about that cheese?
Tom, that cheese is expired.
Oh, maybe we should throw it away.
I already did. Let's make a list.
Good idea. What do we need?
Milk, eggs, bread, vegetables.
Can we get some snacks?
Healthy snacks only.
What? No chips?
Tom, you ate 3 bags last week.
But they were so good.
Fine, 1 small bag.
Yes, you're the best.
At the supermarket entrance.
Wow, it's so crowded today.
It's Saturday. Everyone shops on Saturday.
We should come on weekdays.
We're both working on weekdays.
Oh, right. Should I get a cart?
Yes, please. We have a long list.
Here's one. Wait, this wheel is broken.
Try another one.
This one squeaks.
Tom, just pick one.
Okay. This one looks good.
Finally, let's start with fruits and vegetables.
Do we really need vegetables?
Yes, they're good for you.
But I don't like vegetables.
You like French fries.
French fries are vegetables?
Potatoes are vegetables.
Then I love vegetables.
The produce section problem.
Look at these tomatoes. They're so fresh.
How many should we get?
Maybe 5 or 6?
That's a lot of tomatoes.
We'll use them for salads and pasta.
Okay. What about these apples?
Those look good. Put some in the cart.
How do I know if they're ripe?
Just squeeze them gently.
Like this?
Tom, don't squeeze so hard. Yes, that's better. Now the bananas.
These are green. Should we get yellow ones?
Green is fine. They'll ripen at home.
What about these mangoes?
Those are expensive.
But you love mangoes.
I know, but look at the price.
It's okay. Let's get 2.
Really? Thank you, Tom.
Anything for you.
Lost in the aisles.
Where's the bread section?
I think it's at the back.
No, I think it's on the left.
Let me check the signs. It says aisle 7.
That's on the right.
No, that's aisle 9.
Are you sure?
Yes, look at the numbers.
Oh, you're right. Let's go to aisle 7.
Wait, where's our cart?
What? It's right. Where did it go?
Tom, did you leave it somewhere?
No, it was right here.
Think, where did you leave it?
Maybe in the produce section?
Tom, that's 3 aisles back.
I'll go get it. Stay here.
Hurry up.
I'm running. I'm running.
Don't run in the store.
Meeting at the dairy section.
Finally, you found the cart.
It was in the produce section.
I told you. Now we need milk and eggs.
Which milk? There's so many types.
The regular one, full fat.
What about this almond milk?
That's not real milk.
But it says milk.
It's made from almonds, Tom.
That's confusing. Okay, regular milk it is.
Now the eggs. We need a dozen.
Should I check if they're broken?
Yes, please. Open the carton carefully.
They all look good.
Great. Put them in the cart gently.
Don't worry, I got this.
Tom, not in the bottom.
Why not?
They'll break when we add more items.
Oh, good point.
The checkout line disaster.
I think we have everything on the list.
Finally! Let's go to the checkout.
This line looks short.
Wait, that line is shorter.
No, this one is moving faster.
Let's go to that one.
Tom, we're already in this line.
But look, that one has only 3 people.
Fine, let's switch.
See? I was right.
This person has a full cart.
So, we have a full cart too.
But now our old line is moving faster.
Should we switch back?
No, we're staying here.
Okay.
Oh no, I forgot the butter.
Butter? It wasn't on the list.
I forgot to write it.
Should I go get it?
Yes, hurry, we're almost at the front.
Which aisle?
The dairy section, where we just were.
I'll be quick.
Finally going home.
I got the butter.
Good, now let's pay and leave.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $87.50.
Wow, that's a lot.
Tom, we bought a lot of things.
I know, but still.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Wait, I have my wallet somewhere.
Tom, I'm paying with my card.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Finally, we're done.
Let's go home and put everything away.
My arms are tired from carrying these bags.
We should have brought reusable bags.
Next time. Definitely next time.
You say that every time.
I mean it this time.
Sure, Tom, sure.
At least we got snacks.
Only because I love you.
I love you too. Now let's go home.
And that's Tom and Sarah's grocery shopping adventure. Shopping is never boring with these two. Did you enjoy today's story? What's the most difficult thing about grocery shopping for you? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Tom and Sarah everyday adventures are coming soon. Keep practicing your English every day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.